Good evening, everyone. We all know that today's topic is the manifestation of abundance and money in our lives. So today I'll lead you in a meditation. The meditation is channeled by Master Ray Chandran. So this meditation is based on the fact that everything which we need in our lives is coming from the universe through the Mother Earth. And we all belong to Mother Earth. Anything which you want to manifest in your life, you must connect to the area in your body which represent Mother Earth. So any thought, any desire, anything, whatever you want to manifest, you anchor that desire in that area. Your desire will take roots and those roots will get grounded and manifest in reality. So we will do this meditation by using imagination as and visualization. जैसे ओशन ने explain किया. So visualization and imagination are the tools and the techniques to connect the soul and for soul evolution and for soul growth. In our meditation, we will make a grid in that area in our body which represent the Mother Earth. And one thing that Dr. Sachin has mentioned is about poverty conscious DNA. So poverty conscious DNA is present in all of us. ये हम सब के अंदर है और बहुत एक्टिव फॉर्म में है. So this picture which you are seeing on the screen, this is a grid. We'll make this grid with meditation later on. But now we are talking about poverty conscious DNA. So ये DNA जब तक एक्टिव है तब तक हमारी जिंदगी में फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स, फाइनेंशियल चैलेंजेस आते ही रहेंगे. जब ये फुली एक्टिव होता है, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक मनी. इवन if somebody is making this money does not stay with you. So you are always struggling with money when this poverty conscious DNA is fully active. And another scenario, जब ये active है, even if you are rich, you have a very good amount of money, you are always living in the fear of losing money. You become greedy and you're always worrying about the future. So there is a fear of losing. There are many people who don't throw the clothes because they have the fear of losing. 20-30 years back, marriage के clothes उनकी अलमीरा में अभी भी हैं, जो शायद कभी भी काम नहीं आएंगे. Books हैं बहुत सारी, वो कभी भी नहीं देते, चाहे वो पढ़ चुके हैं, आगे कोई काम नहीं आएंगी. बहुत सारी सीरीज है जिन्हें हम देख चुके हैं या सुन चुके हैं, वो कभी काम नहीं आएंगे. तो देयर इज ए ऑलवेज अ फियर ऑफ लूजिंग. सो आप उस चीज को जमा करके रखते हैं. बट द रियलिटी इज बाय क्लटरिंग you are blocking the flow of energy. So if you want to more things in your life, then make the energy flow smooth and declutter your life. So as we already told that the poverty conscious DNA is very active in all of us. So we will do a meditation to deactivate this poverty conscious DNA. This is one time meditation, but you have to energize it regularly on daily basis. So as we grow spiritually, you must grow materially also, because these support each other. So universe is abundant, we are abundant, but we have to learn the tools how to integrate our energy of abundance with the universal energy of abundance. So we'll start a meditation now. Close your eyes and relax. Breathe in. Breathe through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. As you are breathing, your body is getting relaxed. Your toes, feet, legs, knees, from front and behind are getting relaxed. All your pain, your tension in the body is melting and getting out of your body. Your pelvic area, lower back, upper back, abdomen, chest, thorax, and the internal organs are getting relaxed. Breathe. Breathe through the nose and breathe out through your mouth. Both your arms, neck, face, eyes, ears, scalp, brain are getting relaxed now. All the tension and the pain is going away from your body. Now imagine a beautiful golden door in front of you. This door is very beautiful. Open the door and enter in it. You will see a beautiful garden inside. Walk through the garden. Enjoy the garden. Feel the garden. Now you will see a pyramid in the center of the garden. Enter in the pyramid. Sit on the beautiful golden cushion lying in the center of the pyramid. Now imagine golden healing rays of light are entering in your body from each and every direction. You're feeling rejuvenated. You are more relaxed, peaceful, and calm now. Now focus your attention one finger below and left to the umbilicus, to the belly button. Imagine a dark black lake. One finger below and left to the belly button. In the middle of the lake, there is a black lotus. It has only 4 petals. The petals are black in color. Stem is also black, very thick. It is not moving. It is still. Its look does not feel good. A dark black lotus with 4 black petals. Now affirm in your mind, I give intent to remove and deactivate this DNA within me. Invoke the help of the Master, whom you are comfortable with. We call here on Master Shiv, Bhagwan Shiv, and ask him to support us, to help us in deactivating, in removing this DNA, this black lotus from our body. We will ask for his trident. With the right hand, hold that trident. Do not touch the lotus with your hand. With the help of that Trishul, which you are holding in your right hand, start digging. The lotus won't come so easily. The lotus is very sturdy. Pull this lotus out. Visualize pulling this out with trident. Pull the lotus out completely. Dig deeper and deeper. Pull all the roots, primary root, tap root, secondary roots, all the roots. Dig it out. When you think you have completed this digging, completely pulled it out, ask your guides to take this away. Guides will appear in front of you with the golden ball in their hands. Place the black lotus with all its roots with the trident in the golden container they are holding. Now thank the Master Shiva, Bhagwan Shiva, for his support. Now step backward and start breathing in the space. Breath is going inside that space and coming out from that space. Visualize that area and start breathing in that area. Now you can imagine different colors, different geometries of filling the space. Keep on breathing through the space until pink color comes and one geometry remains. Geometry can be of any shape. It can be triangle, a star, a spiral, or anything. Once pink color and geometry becomes stable, then place your hands on that area and affirm. The sound is which you have to make is Rahum. You have to chant this sound 5 times. Rahum, 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 Rahum. Now the sacred geometry is stable. Keep on breathing through it. It will start vibrating. More you breathe, more the vibration is, and it is radiating the light. Sparkles of that bright light will start covering your entire body. Now say this to yourself. I give intent to nurture this energy within me. Pure and clean energy at all times. Keep on breathing through this space. Keep on breathing through this space. So this is one-time meditation, but you have to energize this space regularly at least for 21 days to make it functional, fully functional. So the second part of this, we have to make a grid in our body, that area which represent Mother Earth. So this is the picture of that grid. We will imagine this in our body. So keep your eyes closed. Continue breathing. Breathe in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Breathe. Now imagine the area 2 to 3 fingers below the umbilicus. Imagine a big circle which has 12 spokes in it, just like the wheel of bicycle. Imagine in the center, there is a spot of golden light. and start breathing through that golden spot. That spot will vibrate and start pulsating. And turquoise color or metallic blue color light will emerge through that spot and cover the one spot. This color represents the Archangel Michael. All the colors in the grid, they represent different masters. So 12 spokes, 12 colors, they represent 12 masters of different frequency and vibration. This color, turquoise metallic blue color, represent the Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael represents new consciousness and courageousness to step in the new territory of spiritual progress. ये आपकी आध्यात्मिक उन्नति और प्रगति के लिए आपको जागृत करते हैं और हिम्मत देते हैं. Second color, which appears from the pulsating spot, is soft red color. Soft red color represent the goddess Kuan Yin. This is the Egyptian goddess who represent the perfect balance in every area of your life. Third color which appears from the pulsating spot is the platinum color. This is whitish grayish color. This represents Master Melchizedek. This is the master of the universe. Fourth color which emerges from this spot is the soft blue color, which represents Commander Ashtra. Commander Ashtra represents galactic heritage of every human being. Fifth color is created by pulsating light. It is white. This is the color represents Sophia and Bhagwan Krishna. This represents your inner child, purity like child, playfulness like child. Next color of the spoke is purple, soft purple color. This represents Saint Germain. This shows the ability to transmutate energy and change our lives. Seventh color is soft pink color. Soft pink color represents Mother Mary. Mother Mary, who represents universal love, motherhood, and compassion. Next color appears is soft green. This color represents Lord Maitreya. Lord Maitreya represents the combined energy of Jesus and Buddha. Ninth color spoke is orange in color. Orange color represents master thought that shows our Atlantic connection. Next color is of gold, golden color, represent goddess Devyani. Goddess Devyani is the partner of Lord Murugan. She represents the ability to create, sustain, grow, and manifest. Great goddess Devyani. 11th color is metallic green, which represent 12 archetypal dragons. 12th color is white in color, color of unicorn. which represent magic, mystery, and secret of the esoteric wisdom which have always existed in the universe. So I repeat the colors. First color, metallic blue. Second, soft red. Third color is platinum. Fourth color is soft blue. Fifth color is white of Bhagwan Krishna. Sixth color is soft purple. Seventh is soft pink. Eighth is soft green. Ninth is orange. 10th is golden. 11th is metallic green, and the last one is unicorn, white color. All the color represent 12 color grids. All these spokes are belongs to different masters. Start breathing through that area. Grid will start rotating. As we keep on breathing, it will start rotating fast and more fast. Colors are blending with each other. As the grid is rotating and vibrating, you will feel positive energy and all your negative energy will go away. The more it will rotate and vibrate, you will feel more light. Now place your right hand on the area where you have formed the grid and affirm, I enter this new grid within me. So any desire, any wish you want to manifest, take it to the grid, anchor it, and breathe through it. Do this meditation to activate the grid for 21 days continuously. This grid will become active, and then you can see the results. Be in this space for 1 or 2 minutes. Keep on breathing, breathing, breathing. The blessings and the energies of these masters helped in making manifestation of your wishes in reality.
So that was so wonderful, and all the divine masters were there with their blessings. So इस meditation को हम daily कर सकते हैं by inviting all the masters, guides and gurus, and they will help in manifesting our needs.